Hey, what's up everyone? I recently bought a used Wii, but then I noticed the joysticks on the nunchucks were really bad. I mean, just take a look at these. It looks like someone chewed on them or something. But anyway, I ended up buying some off-brand ones online, and they feel pretty much like the original controllers, I'd say. But then while playing Punch-Out, I noticed that the nunchuck sensor wasn't working. I thought maybe it was just a defective controller or something, but then I read the reviews online and people actually pointed out the same thing. And this was with all off-brand controllers. So in this video, I'm going to try to merge both of these broken controllers to see if I can come up with at least one good working one. So I went ahead and opened up both nunchuck controllers. The original Nintendo one uses these special Y screws, so you need to get a special screwdriver for that. While the off-brand one just uses the regular Phillips screws. After opening up the controllers, I noticed that the boards were very different. The original Nintendo controller had a lot more integrated chips on the board, while the off-brand controller didn't have any. I think it might have had one at the bottom, and then there's like a blob, which I'm sure has some kind of chip underneath it. So this makes me think that maybe they left out the sensor from the off-brand controller. I'm not really sure exactly, but it does look like it has less things than the original Nintendo controller. Next up, I pulled off the joysticks from both of the boards, and it was a bit tough, but if you pull hard enough, they sort of just pop off. And you'll notice at the bottom that the whole design is very different. But luckily, I was able to put the blue joystick on the original Nintendo controller. So after placing the blue joystick on the original Nintendo controller board, I then put the controller board and everything on the off-brand casing. I did try to replace the cables, but the cables were soldered in, so I was stuck with a blue controller, blue joystick, and a white cable. So then I put everything back together, and finally it was time to test out the controller. And I'm happy to say that the project was a success. The joystick worked just fine, and so did the sensor, so I wasn't having any issues at all. In fact, this was exactly what I was expecting. I just wasn't sure if the joystick would work as nicely on this new board, but it does. Everything was working really well, and again, including the sensor. And the shell casing for the off-brand controller is almost identical to the original Nintendo one. So, there you go. I hope this video helps others fix their Wii controllers, or at least the Nunchuck controller. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.